Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix all Windows Media Player errors in Windows 11 or 10. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to find your Start menu, right-click on it, and then just find Settings, okay? Click on Settings, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead over to System, right here. Now, go to scroll all the way down until you find Optional Features. Okay, just click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and click on View Features, okay? There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes. And then here, just scroll all the way down and find Windows Media Player Legacy app. Click on the drop-down, tick on it, and then just tick on Remove, okay? Once that's done, as you can see here, it says removing, just wait for the process to finish. And then after that, we are going to re-add it, okay? As you can see, when we go ahead and scroll down, Windows Media Player is now gone. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and go to the top, click on See Available Features, and then just find Windows again, Media Player Legacy app. Click on it and just click on Add. Wait for it to fully add, okay? And then after that, you should be good to go. All right. Once it hits 100%, you can now then go ahead and restart your computer and enjoy. And that is how you fix all Windows Media Player errors in Windows 11 or 10. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.